Apple iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max will characteristic a single pill-shaped reduce out to show privateness symptoms on iOS when the Digicam and microphone are in use, as per a new report. Recently, a record hinted that the purported pill-shaped and hole-punch cutouts on the iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max will show up as one when the phones are in use. The Cupertino-based agency in the past announced that it will be internet hosting the Far Out event on September 7. During the launch event, the organization is anticipated to unveil the new iPhone 14 series. According to a file via 9to5Mac, which cites a supply with expertise of Apple's plans, the single unibrow-like pill-shaped cutout on the show of iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max will be used for exhibiting privateness indications when the camera and microphone are being used. The decision is said to allow Apple redesign the camera app, by means of moving some of the controls to the pinnacle of the screen, located on both facets of the unified cutout, as per the report. On Wednesday, it was mentioned that the pill-shaped and hole punch on the display of the upcoming iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max would show up as one extensive pill-shaped cutout. Since the phones are tipped to game OLED displays, Apple may want to flip off the pixels positioned between the two cutouts. Bloomberg's Mark Gurman noted via Twitter that the one pill-shaped cutout on the iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Max Pro has been adopted as the separation would appear atypical while the use of the smartphones. Apple is set to host the Far Out tournament on September 7. The iPhone 14, iPhone 14 Max, iPhone 14 Pro, and iPhone 14 Pro Max are expected to debut at some point of the event, which will be live streamed from the Steve Jobs Theatre at Apple Park. As per a recent report, the purported iPhone 14 Max could be launched with the iPhone 14 Plus moniker. The organization has reportedly opted this branding for the 6.7-inch iPhone mannequin that is tipped to substitute the iPhone mini structure factor. The document brought that the tech giant had requested the protecting case producers in July to chorus from the usage of the iPhone 14 Max branding.